Okay, so we are getting ready to check out my new backpack that we purchased off Amazon. And I'm excited because I really need one. And this one, just by glancing at it, first of all, it looks beautiful. And I think it's exactly what I need. So let's check it out. Let's see what all it can do, right? So of course we have exterior pockets. There's one. What did they send me? Okay, they sent me instructions for the lock. So this is gonna be important. Instructions for the lock. Nice zippers, I like that. Not the tiny ones, not the big ones, but the perfect size ones. I'd call them medium-sized zippers. And I love the fact that they have this little opening right here in the middle of you can actually put the skin of your, whatever you want to call it, of your fingers goes in there and it helps you.
And that's for
close.
the lock.
Huh?
Because these ones, they will fit here in the lock.
Ah, okay, I see. Okay, so they're